wako ahora mwindi nila vitaitwa biabe usauge ahora mbawe
Vamos. Allá salió.
Abantu ba Bundibugyo specifically Bugendera, they had to reach area. Twafunye kizibu cha disaster, floods, 2 bridges mu area yange nchikirira ya Bugendera. Bridges zagenda luli lokubi on 2nd August. Ekuba ligenda Kirindi, Kisonko. In fact, magombolola mukaga gali affected. Egombolola ya Alugale, egombolola ya Gite, egombolola ya Ndugutu, egombolola ya Mirambi, utama mitunda taonikaso, zona ziri mu buzibu kubanga 2 bridges zagenda kati ekizibu ekiriwo. The expectant mother abalwadde nnyo bonna bali mu buzibu, tuwali entambula, tuwali emotoka esobola kuyitawo, even ne piki tiziyitawo. Nange ng'omubaka ewange ebeera eyo kati emotoka njireka wali Bundibugyo mu town, ntambuza kigere, ntambuza piki. So kizibu nnyo, tusaba gavumenti etuyambe abantu abali mu bwetaago obw'ekizibu eky'amazzi. Then waliwo n'ebizibu the farmers nga cocoa plantations nyingi zigenze. So twetaaga government intervention, government eje Bundibugyo, eje Bugendera nga batuyamba. Zino entindo sizoka, biri zino sizoka, tuyina endala ezatwalibwa in 2019 ku floods ya 2019. Tokwe ono Tokwe river, ono river Bimara, ono river Nyamusekera, ono river Lugo in Ganyikere town council, ono river Gite, the same even ono river Nyauka in Mrambi sub county. So tulibubi twetaaga government tuyambe nga bakulembeze. Abantu bali mu kulamentinga nnyo.
Kanya government ngatunjikoka tulolye na bintu ebiriyo etunga abantu abalera na amasi agakulugaga erugoro gatubiriye bintu byatu byona vwanyera koko Kisumba mbubegenda betu tutuna kantu akatukwamba tunene na covid katusalia tutigira mu bintu bingi ene mabibanje byatu mbubegenda tunamba tukwamba tukola ki kutakwamba tubekiri nkuda sese twikiye bagamilole tunga tukusabe nunga abantu babukuru musa mutulolaga na tumuna tuyambe watwenera na tunamba tukula tulera na masi yakuluga mwena na tuguye tunabizubikaniye kandi tukula tulalabiki akendendeye tukwesagira gaba enyubonye basimbuka tubilia bintu byatu manyo kwabo ilibiki bisenda obo ilikoko ya wesenda etunga abayusi na babikina biki tutula buyambi bona ba kuyona tumutulola nganu abale ni batu mulomke gusa kupikiro kama batu tutuna kinji ba ninwe balemi ninwe baki mutulolage muge kutwebisirira
gavumenti tukasaba mutuyambe amaeta abiri tunzaho odusyo buli kiruduka twika esa ndi nusabiri twika ebyali abyetu bikagenda emihogo ebitoke ebyosi binemusenda tukasaba obuwakicho kwa gavumenti mwase mutuyambe situbucecererya ebimbe byosi byabirisenda amanyumba akasenda odusyo buli kiro rukusura gavumenti mwase muyambe abantu bebundibugyo tukabonabona emisia ikatuswikira mwase mutulimire mutuwatikayo kumaetsanu situbucecererya ukalimane cerya chau ichasenda habwo rusi iwaburecererya iwakesienzara echibanza chikakwahu habwa maetse ebibanza bibyosi byaberegenda omundu ukabulana hererera ukabulana cheriturako nomogo wangana kuliro mwana alye nawe akasenda gavumenti tukabasaba obuwaticha itwe abantu berugwengite tukabasaba obuwaticha mwase mutuyambe mutuwatikaye mwase mutukolere obulemi bwetu bukoleki butuwatikaye tutunge chererya mutuletere byali mutukokotera ya maetse tusamalire tuti twamatungo obuhoro
orutendero kwetu lwabirichi
ahula
engite nenzera ekatwalo bolo mundu wosi okusuku baitu sahanu juro kwa chitsebu abalwara hacho tukabaye ko mubyalo esa hanu tuzo chitsebu amagetse zitapu chisi yabiri twika habolo na rutendero lo amaetse wasandana esa hanu tuzo chitsebu enzera nimi katwala abantu pako kuboda hacha abantu saba chutebulabu esa hanu buchali buzi bobiri mana esa hanu ngala ikamwa abantu abalwere bakekwa situje uche ngutswa ngakolo okuli cha tukala kere government yesi tuwe tikayi yilangere yitwe kapundu ka hokondo tunalo mu yorobo amaeta na setapo yulu sebiri twik abali yikonge busoru haye busene umutaunika so anga nyahoka
ngome na bakanya tabudili fikiza eliwe kisongo twabere tunga kitiku chamani ekisyandendu eritwika esyangwangwa syabiritwika tukasabe government tutikisi yitwanguhire abalwere abakolwa kwa bitwa abakolwa hare busana syandendu eritwika twabere bula kubakala abakenda mumasipatara manene ngorukuda lwetu runo rukatwala abandu banene eribalusya okwa boda eriyendo mwatoni mwe Bundibugyo eseno abantu sibachutibulabu eseno abalwere bakabaheka okwa miti ibana behikire okwa biti wabarume bamabereteseka tukalakire government tukikisi yasi tuyambe tulangire tuti abantu bamabya abalwere batokiri bakayambawa neritolo mwabiruka tukasaba kutsibwe government tuyambe abalemenyi bose tuhambiremu mulangire muti mukaripotinga okubanya butoki base balangire bati bakatukolera ekitukarondaya mwasinja kutsibu mama tukolerachi
gwe twabadde wano ngasawa mukaza ndangali tuli wano wakata twabadde njula nga yija nga itonya naye tuisanga nzula nga bucha naye itonya yawadde tangali zawa mukawa za kumacha naye yacha zawe 12 za kumacha bula imala maka ngabi imala naku ngebiri ngaji tonya naye nako sitabade naye dimero zafwe zagenda naye biri muzo zagenda buli kimu kyaffe kigenda kiri ku mazzi.
Some floods that washed away most of our bridges in the district. This one occurred mainly in the sub-counties of Gite, Sindira, Alugale, Kagugu, that is for Bugendera constituency. Then Wamba, it also occurred in areas of Kisumba, Tokwe, Kagema Town Council, Bundibugyo, and Busunga Town Councils. So this problem actually it has been on for some good time. It is because Bundibugyo is situated in the foothills of Mount Rwenzori. So whenever it pours, it causes up this problem. And this rain is delayed a bit because we're expecting them around the beginning of July, but it occurred at the beginning of August. That's why they came with huge masses to a capacity of washing away most of our bridges. That one has caused a problem of accessibility because some district roads have been affected and also feeder roads have been affected. So in the community now there is a very big problem. There is a huge problem of accessibility. Our people cannot connect easily. Now, like for example, if you are traveling from Bundibugyo main town towards Butawamitunda and the border, you have to make so many bypasses, so many shortcuts, and maybe some routes are not clear. So like this road connects to the area where the Honorable MP for Bugendera comes from. That bridge was washed away completely and there is no accessibility. So we have that huge challenge. That's why I want to call upon the Ministry of Works and Transport to come to our rescue, because the budget which we have for the district cannot even manage to construct a single bridge. A single bridge is estimated at a cost of between 500 and 800, the nature of the bridges we are intending that we are washed away. Now the district budget for works activities for the entire financial year, it covers 600 million. So that means if we intend to allocate all that money on one bridge, we shall not be having other activities to implement in the district. Like we have to pay for road gangs, we have to pay for other workers, we have to construct the culverts and install them, and we have to do some routine maintenance of other feeder roads in the district. So the point I'm bringing up is that the district budget cannot be able to cover this problem which has been caused by the disaster. That's why I call upon the ministry to come to our rescue. I also want to call upon other development partners that are partnering with the Bundibugyo district local government also to come to our rescue. This is nature we cannot control. I want to end up by cautioning the people who are living near such areas that are prone to disaster occurrences. They should begin reading the early warning signs, because as people who have been natives there, they know when this problem is to happen. So whenever they read that the early warning signs have started showing up, it is better they relocate. Why am I advising them like this? When it comes to October, we experience a lot of rain. So before that one comes, I want to appeal to the community to make sure that they try to see how they are going to actually prepare for this disaster.